Hey everyone, so if you're scheduling online meetings a lot, connecting Google Calendar with Zoom makes everything way easier. I'll show you how to set it up step by step. First, install Zoom and sign into your account. Now open Google Calendar in your browser. Next, install the Zoom add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Sign into Zoom inside Google Calendar. Now create a new event in your calendar. Add a Zoom meeting link from the event options. Add your guests by entering their emails. Save the event and send the invite. And when it's time, just click Join from Google Calendar. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Google Calendar with Zoom and join meetings easily.